Hello, 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 hello. I hope everybody's doing really good on this Saturday. This is Mike from Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in Sharpsburg, Georgia. See, I even got an official business card. I got stuff wrote on that one. Thinking about changing them. But the previous video, I think it was yesterday evening, I was looking at this fender, which is the driver's side, right behind the door, the driver's door. They actually started here, but they had obviously brushed up against something and scratched this paint all the way down that fender. And I already knew that what I had contracted for with the customer, I knew the one-step polish or even a compound and then a polish was not going to even come close to get rid of those scratches. They are very, very deep, some of them. And so that was a photograph I took yesterday of those. Here's another one. I zoom in a little bit. You can see they're quite noticeable, and some of them are very deep, down to the primer almost, and some of them are. There was a long one there, some down here. Holy moly, that was crazy. Oh boy. There's another shot. You can see they're pretty deep, pretty bad. So I knew that to get rid of those, I was going to have to resort to some wet sanding. And just from experience, I was taking a break here, coffee break. But I knew the 3000 damp sanding wasn't going to do it. I already knew that, so I went ahead and went to, I think it was 2000 2500 grit wet sandpaper. Good coffee. Attacked it with that. Took a while, and then I went back with my rotary polisher and wool pad, compounded it. Then I went back again with the dual action polisher and a black soft polishing Lake Country pad with some Sonak's Perfect Finish. And folks, I'm here to tell you, in my opinion, this is the end of the door. They remember I said they started here and then they went all the way back down this panel here, if y'all can remember. I mean, there's one that was really deep down to the primer. Nothing I can do about that. That right there is some touch-up paint somebody put on. I didn't mess with that too much for that touch-up paint. Very fragile stuff. But I mean, even up close, I cannot find any of those scratches. None of them. Not any. I mean, if you get up real close, maybe in the bright sunlight, maybe you can find the remnants of it, but I can't see them at all. Not at all. I just wanted to catch you guys up. I haven't started back on this part of it yet. That's just been strip washed. I've polished out where those scratches started on this door. So this whole thing is looking pretty good, but it's long, tedious work. It's taken longer than I thought. And this morning and this afternoon, I had kind of the same deal here. I forgot to take any photographs, I think, or anything, but it wasn't as bad as that other panel, but there were some relatively deep scratches here. I thought I saw one, but I don't. So I kind of did the same number, but I just spot sanded this with the 2500 or 2000 grit wet sandpaper. I went back with the rotary, compounded it, and polished it with the dual action on the black pad, Lake Country pad, again with the Sonax perfect finish. And that came out nicely. Could it be better? Yeah. Jennifer, I don't know if that's you watching, the owner, but there's some oxidation and embedded damage in this clear coat that could be wet sanded totally out and make this almost showroom quality. But you know, Tony was over here earlier. He said, I don't want to mess with that, because yeah, it's another budget, another time. And what I was going to show you is this door here. What I've done, see these spots here? This is where I've gone and wet sanded. They're like a continuation of some of the scratches, like they ran down through the brush or something. And I've wet sanded those scratches out. You know, you see that haze, people go, oh my God, they scratched my paint. Yeah, but that's what you want. You want that haze, slight haze, it'll polish right off, and you want those scratches to disappear. That one there is really deep. I don't know if it's going to totally disappear or not. I might go back and hit it lightly again just to see. I wet sanded under here. Lots and lots of scratches there from people's fingernails. But that'll polish up pretty nice. Wet sanded there. Wet sanded that section down there because there were scratches. Like I said, probably from where they went down through the field and ran through some brush or something, chasing a horse, that would be my guess. Or some kind of farm animal. And I've done this rear section here. You can see the wet sanding. And so now I'm going to go after these stuff that I've got left down from my previous work with my rotary polisher with the Sonax Max cut, and then with a black pad with the perfect finish. And then of course later we'll be coming back and doing the ceramic coating. Yeah, there's really deep scratch right there. I'm not even going to try to get rid of that. That's way, way, way deep. Some of these you just can't do anything with, really. They may minimize a bit. I don't know if you could see. I don't think you can. The oxidation and stuff that has embedded and bonded to the clear coat. The bonded stuff will be gone. Some of that embedded stuff will, but not all of it. The only way to get all of it is with wet sanding. Wet sanding. There I am, live and in person. Oh boy, yeah. Yeah. Okay, Mike, stop. Hi, Angela. Oh boy, but yeah, see, I got some more polishing and all to do here, so I'm going to get back on it. Just wanted to catch you guys up. You know what? I can't tell who's in that little bitty picture up in the corner. I'm not sure who that could be. But I think this truck is turning out rather nicely for such an old vehicle. It's a, depending on who you listen to, 97, 98, 99, somewhere in there, F350, big diesel, power stroke diesel they call it. I still got lots and lots and lots of work to go here, so I'm not going to get it done standing around here doing this video. But if you guys are on YouTube watching this, hit that subscribe button and it'll notify you of the future videos of the progress we make here. I keep saying we, it's me. Yeah, it's just me. Hopefully soon I'll have a helper, Angela. I love you, baby. Oh man, you know, if you're on Facebook, if you got a question, you know, shoot me a PM, put it in the comments section down below. Hey, tell me where you're watching from. I'm always curious about that. Just say hey or something. They tell me all that helps my algorithm. I'm not real sure what an algorithm is, but hey, you know what I mean? You know, do something and that helps me out. But I will be back later and update you guys on this. And then I'm going to move on to the hood, I hope. Oh, that's going to be another big nightmare. Oh boy. All right, folks. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching me. Uh, hopefully the rain will hold off for a while, but it'll be all right. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Bye-bye.